Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today's lesson will be over dividing fractions. Our first example here, we have a fraction divided by another fraction. So the easiest thing to do would actually be to change this problem to a multiplication problem with fractions. When we are using division and trying to change it to multiplication, we have to follow 3 steps. We keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. What that means is the top or the numerator we're going to keep as is. We're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the denominator. So 7 over 9 becomes 9 over 7. Then we have a multiplication problem, which is pretty simple. We just multiply across. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 7 is 14. Since 9 over 14 is completely reduced, that is my answer. In my next problem here, I have a whole number divided by a fraction. But we still follow our same 3 steps. We keep, change, and flip. So I'm going to keep my 4 as is, change to multiplication, and flip my 6 over 5 to 5 over 6. Now, when we multiply with fractions, we really want to multiply with both a numerator and denominator. Since this 4 doesn't have a denominator, I want to give it one. Whole numbers, we always just put over 1. Now we can multiply across. 4 times 5, we get 20. 1 times 6, we will get 6. Now 20 over 6, we can reduce. They both have a 2 that we can divide out. And we'll get our final answer of 10 over 3. Okay, our last example, our whole number is now in the denominator. So again, we want to follow our 3 steps. We want to keep, change, flip. So 12 over 5 I'm going to keep as is, change my division to multiplication, and I want to flip this whole number 8. Well, when I flip something, I really want it to have a numerator and denominator, so I can easily flip it. So again, whole numbers we can always put over 1. Now I can easily see when I flip it, it becomes 1 over 8. And then we multiply across. 12 times 1 is 12. Over 5 times 8, which is 40. I can reduce these both by 4. To get my final answer now of 3 over 10. Thank you for watching today's lesson over dividing fractions. For more math tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.